Do you have bad credit? Do you want to know how to repair your credit? CreditScoreGoingUp.com is a revolutionary solution. Late credit card payments, surprise bills, and emergency expenses can devastate you financially. CreditScoreGoingUp.com works with you to teach you how to repair your credit by offering budgeting, credit restoration, credit and identity monitoring, debt payoff, and many other services like wills, living trusts, financial and healthcare power of attorneys. You will have access to a credit builder and credit attorney as well. Previous customers have seen credit score increases over 100 points in the early stages of the process. CreditScoreGoingUp.com also offers renters an option to build their credit using past and current rent payments. There are many options available.
Hi, I'm Josh Askew, founder of CreditScoreGoingUp.com. I've worked as a private investigator and a bail bondsman, so I've seen the financial ruin that can come after a case. I work to help clients rebuild their credit, and now I want to help you. Learn more about how to repair your credit for less than $3 a day by visiting CreditScoreGoingUp.com today.